Hi, this is Veronica from Jared's Bakery. I was calling to speak to Miss Stone. Hi, yes, my name is Miss Stone. You can just call me Stacy. Was my cake already done? No, not yet. But the image that you uploaded through the portal seems to be an AI-generated image. No, it's not AI. I literally went to Google and just typed in beach-inspired cakes. It is a very cool looking cake, but you can still search images and they come up AI generated even if they look real. It is a very nice cake, so if you can't make it, you can just tell me. We would be happy to make your cake. We just can't make that actual cake. No bakery could. Well, what am I supposed to do? I really like that cake and I found it online. What I can do is send you some images that we can actually make that still fit that beach vibe you were looking for. Would you be open to that? I mean, yeah, that's fine. I just really wanted that cake. I know, and honestly, I agree. That cake looks really neat. But sometimes on the search engine, things aren't actually labeled as AI generated. It's kind of annoying. Yeah, okay, if you do have cakes similar, I would like to see them. Absolutely. I will email you over some images today. I promise you we can still make you a very beautiful cake. I hope so. Hi, I'm here to pick up my custom order. It's for Stacy Stone. Yes, Stacy for the beautiful beach cake. That is me. Great. I saw the cake this morning. It is stunning. So what I will do is I will set it up over there. If you approve it, I will have you sign a form. I will then box it up and I can help you load it into your vehicle. Perfect. And here is your beach-inspired cake. What's going on over here? Why is it so empty? Are you moving locations or shutting down? Oh gosh, no, nothing like that. So we had a private event this weekend and we took down those decorations and we're like, why are we going to put the decorations for Christmas back up when we're going to have new decorations after the new year? So right now we just don't have any decorations, but then after the new year we'll have more decorations. Oh, wait, you guys do private events? I didn't know that. Yep, about 4 or 5 months ago it was decided that we were going to close on Sundays for private events. Huh, is that free? Free. No, we do offer different packages. All the information is up on our website, but it just depends on party size, what you're wanting. We also provide custom packages as well. Wow, I had no idea. So, Stacy, what do you think of your cake? It'll do. You know, I had my heart set on the original picture that I sent in. Ah, I did see the AI image that you sent in, and it did look like a really cool cake, but I don't think we were able to do the transparent glowing blue part. I mean, I do watch Cake Wars. I feel like there could have been a way to make it. Fascinating what people can do to recreate any type of dessert, but realistically on any show, they don't use AI images to recreate a cake. I'm not an expert cake maker or anything, but I figured there would have to be a way to make that cake, but yeah, I will sign off on this cake. Great. I think this cake turned out way better than any AI image. I'll go ahead and get the form and then I can get it boxed up for you. Sounds good. Hello, I was hoping to get a quote for this cake. Ooh, that is a really cool looking cake. You do know that is AI generated though. Yeah, I know. I go to different bakeries and see if they can recreate cakes based on AI images. That is interesting. We have never had that request before. For my social media channel, so I go to different bakeries, I get the quotes. The last quote for this I think was around 5K. Then I get the cakes at the same time and then I show them on my channel and we talk about all the cakes from the different bakeries and how they made them. That is neat and I do wish you luck on your channel, but right now we will have to pass. Are you sure? I'm happy to pay whatever. I know that these take a lot of time and plenty of skill. We do appreciate that you are thinking of us, but Jared's Bakery focuses on craftsmanship, consistency, and taste first. Everything we do is handmade, from our cake structure to our edible flour work. Because of that, we are very intentional about the projects we take on, especially any specialty designs. Okay, my cousin actually got a cake from here. It was gorgeous. That's what made me think of Jared's Bakery. I'm happy to hear that your cousin was happy with the cake. If you change your mind, I would be very interested. This is kind of a funny coincidence. So not too long ago, we had a customer request a specialty order and she had uploaded an image and she actually did not know it was AI generated. So we looked into it and a lot of those cakes rely heavily on gelatin or display materials rather than traditional cakes. So we started talking about it a little bit more. Impressive, but those just aren't our specialty. Yeah, I would say they're more for show than for taste. Makes sense. I don't know if you know this, but we really focus on full edible designs and our cakes have been featured in a couple magazines. I also remember that Jared's Bakery was mentioned in a newspaper article last year around this time. Yes, the bakery was mentioned in an article, but right now we are fully booked and our baker is taking a leave soon, so we are just being really mindful of what we take on. Totally understand. I know that these cakes take, again, plenty of time and lots of skill. Thank you, and thank you for stopping in and still considering us. I am so over those AI-inspired cakes and people asking if we can do them. I think it's a really cool concept. It gives people a way to build on their craft, but right now we're not taking on those projects, so if anyone asks, it's gonna be a no. Good. Jared's Bakery doesn't need that kind of business. Plus, if I showed up to a party and 80% of the cake was Jell-O, I'm leaving. Goodbye. No thank you. Not technically Jell-O, but speaking of leaving, Jared and I are going to be gone the second week of January. That's when things usually slow down around here. Glad you guys decided on a date. Where are you going? We decided on Scottsdale. That sounds really nice. Can I tag along? As fun as that sounds, I need you here at the bakery. Oh yeah, working with Miss Positive Paisley. Positive Paisley. You know what I mean, Miss Positive Candy. The sun's so bright. The day's the best. My boyfriend's the best looking in town. Blah, blah, blah. Nobody wants to listen to that. And that's a bad thing? It's not my thing. You know how I get through life? Looking through a realistic lens. Well, I hope that you both can still work together because Jared and I are counting on both of you. So who's going to be in charge? I mean, you have worked here longer, but can't you just work together as a team? I mean, I feel like somebody should be in charge and that somebody should be me. When Jared and I spoke about it, we just decided that it would be both of you together as a team. I know how this place runs. Plus, I'm not afraid to lay down the law. So, since you and Jared are leaving, I have decided to create a leadership vision board. I'm thinking kindness and rainbows. I feel like darkness and thunder would be more appropriate. That's okay. I can create the board alone. And then when I'm finished, I will put it in the break room. So I have to stare at it while I'm drinking my coffee. Maybe it'll turn that frown upside down. Speaking of stickers, I need to go grab more. You really want somebody like that to run your bakery? A grown woman who puts rainbows on paper. This is a bakery, not a kindergarten classroom. If you are really concerned, I'm happy to speak to Jared more about it, but he and I just thought you guys would work together like normal. I really am just looking out for Jared's Bakery.
It's just a skit, don't throw a fit. We're here for laughs, and that's all of it.